Hello, my name's Richard. Welcome to Recaro Automotive. Please enjoy a video of one of our fully prepared cars. Hi, this is our stunning Spirit Blue Ford Fiesta ST2. It's a 2016 car. It's under full manufacturer's warranty until the 7th of June 2019. One private keeper. It does have a full service history. We've just serviced the car, major service, using genuine Ford parts, oils, plugs, filters, etc. It's got a lovely specification. It does have the ST style pack. So it's got the illuminated side seals, the rear privacy glass, the Rado grey wheels and the red calipers. Over and above that, lovely options. It does have the Spirit Blue pearlescent paint. It's also got the factory fitted satellite navigation system, and a very nice option, it does have the rear park pilot. So you've got audio and visual on-screen parking system as well. Lovely spec, the standard Bluetooth heated seats. It's got Bluetooth music streaming, Bluetooth phone preparation, LED daytime running lights. We are running a PCP campaign on this car at the moment. The car's £11,000 with a £1,000 deposit, a representative APR of 8.8%. You have 47 payments of £180.96 a month and a final payment of £3,718. As I said, this does have terms and conditions, so please do call us. Obviously we can talk through and take any financial proposals and give you any information you want. Looking in through the car, there you can see storm grey ST embossed half leather Recaro seats. Stunning car, excellent tyres all the way around on this car, and as I did mention earlier, one private keeper, just been serviced, and we have MOT'd the car early. Please do give us a call, 01206 512 271.